Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, this is Mr. Hussein from S&F Consulting Firm Limited. Today, I will discuss about company registration and other business licensing costs in Bangladesh. The following permissions are required to start service business in Bangladesh: limited liability company, trade license, income tax, and VAT certificate. That's it. Now, the following permissions are required to start export and import business in Bangladesh: register a limited liability company, trade license, income tax and VAT certificate, bank solvency certificate, membership from Chamber of Commerce, and apply for export and import license. That's it. The following permissions are required to start manufacture company in Bangladesh: form a limited liability company, trade license, income tax and VAT certificate, bank solvency certificate, membership from Chamber of Commerce, export and import license, fire license, environment certificate, and permission from Department of Inspection for Factory and Establishment, NOC from local authority. That's all to set up a factory in Bangladesh. Now let's see the estimated cost of company registration and other business licensing in Bangladesh. All fees are considering in Bangladesh Dhaka. Company registration fee 20,000 to 50,000. Trade license fee 15,000 to 20,000 taka. Tax and VAT certificate 12,000 to 16,000 taka. Membership from Chamber of Commerce 40 to 60,000. Import license depends on yearly estimated sales turnover. Fees start from 5,000 up to 60,000. Export license fee 7,000 to 12,000. Fire license 500 to 20,000 taka. Non-official expenses must consider. Environment certificate fee depend on investment capital. It start from 1,500 taka up to 500,000. Must consider non-official other expenses. Department of Inspection for Factory and Establishment estimated non-official expenses 10,000 to 15,000 in Dhaka. That's all about cost to set up a business in Bangladesh. Thank you so much. Subscribe for more videos. You can contact us as your legal partner to register the company and obtain all business licenses to set up a factory, export import service company in Bangladesh. Tata. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.